So today I'm going to try something different that I've seen other people do. That's put a warm bowl of water down and then putting cotton balls inside a Ziploc bag. Some people pour acetone into the bag. I'm going to soak each cotton ball so that I'm not wasting too much acetone, but I'm soaking it very, very generously. Putting it into the Ziploc bag, which is sitting in a bath of warm water. And then as you can see, I did not bother to file off my top coat. I just went ahead and put my hands in there. Now, I am going to tell you something I'm noticing about this method is that it smells strong. So that's the one thing I do prefer to wrap my nails individually with aluminum foil because I don't have that strong acetone smell. However, as you will notice by the end of this video, the removal was very much quicker. And as you can see, the cotton balls are not dirty and goopy the way they do get when you individually wrap them into your foils. So what I'm doing is just kind of rubbing my nails back and forth with the cotton balls. The water is very, very warm. I put it into the microwave for 1 minute, which was actually a little bit too hot. So I had to wait for the water to cool down just a little bit. But that warmth from the water is activating the acetone in a quicker manner to remove your dip powder nails. So that's why that's necessary. So I'm going ahead and rubbing off my nails as best as I can. And for the purpose of this video, I sped it up so that this total video is a little bit over 5 minutes. But as you will see by the end of this video, I took a screenshot of the original video that I did and my setup, putting in the acetone cotton balls, everything all together was 11 minutes. 11 minutes for removing 2 hands of dip powder nails is really, really quick, as most of you will know. So that was impressive. But here's my opinion on this. The smell was so strong that I am not enticed to do it again. If I do it again, I will probably put a very large towel over my hands and hopefully that would kind of mask some of the acetone smell. It was not pleasing to me at all. I was afraid that I was going to get a headache. I didn't, but the whole time I was dreading that smell. And that's that I didn't even pour acetone into the bag like some others do. I just soaked the cotton balls. But to each its own. If it's something that you don't mind, or if you think you can put a big towel over your hands and just sit for a good 10 minutes, this was a really quick way to remove my dip powder. Now, I have used and preferred the foil method where you wrap each finger individually with aluminum foil and acetone soaked cotton ball because it doesn't smell as strong. However, it does take a bit longer. Depending on how thick you did your nails, it could be from 15 minutes per hand up to half an hour. So when you have a lot of layers, it can really take a long time to have that removed. And you do also have to buff off your top layer in order to get it activated. So take a look at this. At this point, I'm checking my nails out to see how progress is going. And they are about 90% removed. But they weren't fully removed because I did have some glitter on one of my accent nails, or actually 2 of my accent nails on each hand. So that glitter's taking a little bit longer to come off. So I put them back in and just waited a little bit longer, rubbing them around in the cotton ball bag. And again, my water was still very warm. So that was really comforting to sit your hands in a warm water bath. So I'm just about done. As you can see, I'm checking them one more time, and they are soon going to be fully done. Look at the cotton balls. They don't look messy and goopy. So that also was impressive to me. Whatever the reason is behind that, I don't know. I had on some green dip powder, so I expected them to be green and all, but nope, they look perfectly fine. And here is proof that the total time was 11 minutes. And that was setting up and everything. And here are my clean nails. Hope this helps.